you put me over?
You're going 62 and a 50, that's why.
62 and a 50? Alright, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, bro.
You the registered owner of the vehicle?
Yes, bro. The fuck? When was all nobody call around here, bro?
Okay. Alright, hang tight in the vehicle for me. So he's going 62 and a 50, and as soon as I walk up to the door, I couldn't even get up to the door before he started wanting you're full of shit, I wasn't speeding, what you pulled me over for, and all this shit, and it reeks of weed. It's only him in the car, but as soon as we go to pull him out, he's gonna be a freaking pain in the ass. Alright, real quick. You have a medical marijuana card. Well, your car reeks of weed.
I don't reek of nothing.
Okay, well I'm telling you it does. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you step out of the car.
I'm not stepping out, because my car don't smell like weed. The fuck?
So you're not gonna step out of the car?
I'm not stepping out this car.
I need you to step out of the car. If you don't step out of the car, I'm gonna make you step out of the car.
How? You don't have no warrant to search my car, bro?
I don't need a warrant. I have probable cause by the burnt odor of marijuana in your car.
You don't smell nothing, bro. You don't smell nothing.
Are you going to step out of the car? Okay. Alright.
Bro, watch out, bro. What you doing, bro? Bro, what are you doing, bro? You can't do nothing with me, bro.
Get out of the car.
You can't
get out of the car.
Out of the car.
I'm not.
Get out. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. Cause y'all doing
Get out of the car.
Stop taking your time. Stop reaching. Stop reaching.
Let me get my phone. What y'all doing? Don't turn around. I'm not even doing. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Turn around.
I'm turning around now.
Turn around.
Stop resisting. Turn around.
You're not turning around. Listen.
Y'all not even letting me turn around. Like I was turning around. Like, bro, and y'all finna hurt. Like, I'm not even resisting
Now
from
listen to what
y'all.
we're telling you.
I'm not resisting from y'all. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Like, I'm not resisting at all. Like, this weird as fuck.
You were told to get out of the car several times and you failed.
And what? Because y'all don't smell shit and y'all not finna find shit. And she just came to me talking about something. Where you work at? Bitch, I just got off. The fuck? Like, y'all what? What y'all thinking? And you got these shits too tight, bro.
Well, stop resisting.
I'm not resisting, bro. Like, what the fuck? Y'all is foul, bro. Bro. Nigga, bro.
That's fine.
You never against the car? You never against the car?
Bro, I'm loosening
never
these
against the car.
motherfucking cuffs, bro. These shit's tight as fuck. Bro, I'm loosening the cuffs, bro. Bro, the cuff is dummy tight and I ain't even do nothing. Y'all gonna search my car and y'all gonna let me go. The fuck? Bro, these cuffs dummy tight, bro. What is y'all doing, bro? What y'all searching me for, bro? Nigga just got off. Y'all out here doing nothing with y'all life, bro.
Have a seat.
Y'all working Palm Coast. Go do something with y'all self, bro. The fuck?
Have a seat.
I'm sitting.
Put your feet in.
No, I'm not getting in this car.
I will go to the other side and pull you through this car.
Bro, you pulled me over for nothing. You pulled me over.
I already told you were
No,
speeding.
you pulled me over for nothing, bro.
Okay.
You pulled me over for nothing. And then they gonna see I wasn't resisting the way y'all doing me, bro. All right. I got something for that. I'm getting in, bro. Don't touch me, bitch ass. Man, shut your bitch ass up. Bro, these cuffs dummy tight.
You shouldn't have resisted.
I didn't resist, you dumbass. You crackers just don't know what the fuck resisting is. You don't know what resisting is. The fuck? Oh God. Fuck you looking at, bald-headed bitch. Pig skin ass bitches. Check my shit. Man, these are foul, yo. Nigga just got off work. Y'all finna, bro, I'ma sue all you, bro. Ooh, bro, I do what I want, bro. They ain't finna find nothing. Talking about he smelled weed. He ain't smell no motherfucking weed. He ain't smell no weed, dumbass. He ain't smell no weed. Y'all foul. He ain't smell no weed. What he finna find? What he finna find? He ain't finna find shit. You foul. You one nigga locked up. Fuck wrong with you? Man, I got something for all that shit. On everything. Search that bit, folks. Man, search that bit all night if you want to. I work for mine. I go fishing. Looking up, I go fishing, dumbass. Just like you, fishing for a dummy. I ain't no dummy, boy. I ain't no fucking dummy. I ain't no dummy. That's one thing about me, but I ain't none of these parcos niggas that y'all be lucking up on, making them niggas snitch. I ain't no snitch, none of that. The fuck? Yeah, I know how you operate. Talking about you smell marijuana. Y'all don't smell shit. And on my mama, I need everybody badge number out this motherfucker. On God. I need y'all badge numbers. On God. On G, baby. I need y'all badge numbers. On my mama. On my motherfucking mama. What I'm back here for?
Because you're going to jail.
For what?
For resisting.
I didn't resist.
You did.
I didn't resist. I didn't resist. I didn't resist.
Are you going to keep saying
Yeah, I didn't fucking resist. Y'all seen me. I got out the fucking car. I got out the fucking car. On my mamas. On my mamas, I got out the car. And they gonna see. They gonna fucking see. Y'all ain't find shit on me. You supposed to be with me, you pussy ass nigga. You a fucking pig too. The fuck? Fuck y'all. I'ma be out and I'ma sue all you. Cause I ain't resist on my mama. Without that badge, I'll beat your ass. The fuck wrong with you? When did I resist? Let me see the body count. Let me see the body count. Let me see the body count. But no, you just putting me through something so you can get a check. That's fucked up.
I get a check either way.
No, you get a check. You man, I know about y'all bonuses. Shut the fuck up, dumbass. I ain't stupid. You fucking with the wrong one. On my mama. On my mama. Y'all was gonna take me to jail regardless. The fuck? Talking about resisting. I did not resist. Not one time. Not fucking one time. The fuck? Bro, I swear to God, this shit so green. You racist as fuck. That's so racist. Talking about I resisted. I ain't resist not one time. I ain't resist not one time. Y'all gonna see that. Ooh, I can't wait to get that body cam. I can't wait to get that body cam. But talk about resisting. Hell nah, I wasn't resisting. Hell nah. Fuck wrong with you? Fucking resisting. Bro, y'all finna, bro. Y'all just see skin color. That's what it is. Then y'all got these cuffs dummy tight. On God, I got something for that shit. On God, bro. On God, bro. On God, bro. On God. On everything I love, bro. On everything I love. Y'all not gonna win this. On God. On God, y'all got these cuffs dummy tight. You racist. You fucking racist. Y'all want us back in chains. Y'all want us back in chains. On God, that's what it is.
He was charged with resisting an officer without violence, possession of marijuana under 20 grams, and possession of drug paraphernalia. He was also issued a speeding citation and transported to jail. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.